Most people love side pockets in dresses, but sometimes they can add unwanted bulk around the hip area or affect how the dress drapes on the body. Removing the pocket can create a smooth silhouette and improve the overall fit. For this tutorial by needlepointers.com, I will show you how to remove the side pocket from a dress. Turn the dress inside out to access the pocket bag. Use a seam ripper to carefully unpick the stitching that attaches the pocket piece to the side seams. Remove loose threads and then press the seam area flat if needed. With the dress still inside out, match the front and back side seams with right sides together. Depending on how the pocket was originally installed, you may notice that the side seam was cut to install the pocket bag. If that is the case, as you can see in my situation it is, slightly offset the seam edges as needed so the stitching line falls inside the intact fabric and below any cut or weakened section. This helps create a strong seam and prevents holes along the original pocket opening. Using the original seam allowance as a guide, sew the side seam closed with a straight stitch in one continuous line. Blend smoothly into the existing stitch above and below the pocket area to maintain the original shape of the dress. Trim the excess fabric if necessary. To prevent fraying and to give the garment a finished professional appearance, finish the raw seam edge using one of the following methods: a serger overlocker, overlock stitch of a sewing machine, or the zigzag stitch of a sewing machine. Removing side pockets from a dress is a simple alteration that can make a noticeable difference in how a garment fits and drapes. By carefully removing the pocket bag and resewing the side seams, you can reduce the bulk that's around the hips, making a smoother, more flattering fit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other mending and sewing projects.